Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I will walk you through the step-by-step guidance about curing in ArcGIS, and at the end of this video we will create a layout map that will show the density of population in America. So here I have three shapefiles. This is representing the states, cities and cities in points. So
You can download shapefiles from link in description for your practice.
now let's have a look in its attribute table. We have area, state name, and its region, its population in 1990, its population in 1999. Okay, so here we have the first query, that what was the population, total population in 1990. So let's go to its attribute table, and here this Washington polygon, the total population of Washington in 1990 was 48 blah 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 this. So we will get our answer if we will do a sum of all these fields. So for a quick hack, you can simply do a right click over here, go to its statistics, and now you can see the sum of all fields, total number of polygons, the minimum population of a state, the maximum population of a state, and sum of all fields, the mean and the standard deviation, and the total null fields. So just copy this sum and paste it over here, and simply for 1999 you can select 1999 over here, and the sum of all population is this. Note down it over here. Now what is the total number of males? So in this attribute table we don't have the data about the uh, total number of males in 1990 and 1999. So we will simply calculate the total number of males, and you know how to do that. For this, you can do this. Now you can fill all these fields, and now it is very simple and very easy for you. Let's go to second question. At the end of this, prepare a map of this problem. What is the highest population state in 1990? So let's go to 1990 and statistics. The maximum value of a field is this. Just copy this, go to selection, select by attribute, and search for 1990. And now go to selection, go to select by attribute, and now make sure you have select state over here, and now go to population in 1990. So here we will write a query, select all from state table where this field is equal to this number, that is the maximum number in that field. Actually this number is the maximum population of a state. Verify your query, it is successfully verified, and run this query. Now we have the state that has highest population state in 1990. This is California. Now if you want to make a layer of only California, you can right click over here, go to selection, create a layer from selected feature, and this one is California. Okay, now what was the highest population state in 1990? And you know that how to do this. So here What is the highest population city in 1990? So we will active this shapefile. We will active this shapefile and go to text attribute table, go to 1990 and right click over here statistics. The maximum the full sum of all these field is, sorry, the maximum value is this one. And now we will go to select by attribute. Make sure that you have select the current layer. Select, okay, select all from counties where total population is equal to this value. Verify your query, okay, and now apply this. Open the attribute table again, and this is Los Angeles. The Los Angeles was the highest population city in America in 1990. So you can simply right click over here and go to selection, create a layer from selected feature, and you can rename this Los. Okay, now we have another question. Actually, this is that we have to make a population density map, and we will create this map at the end of this video. A population density map, a poropleth map that must have 5 classes and their information about highest density state and lowest density state in that map. So let's go to next question. A chain of school want to open 5 schools. You have been asked to select counties for new school and show them on map. Criteria: population of counties must be greater than this value and must lie in Florida. Label the resultant counties. So now we want to open uh, 5 schools and in state Florida, but in that counties where the population is greater than this value. So let's go to select by attribute and make sure you have selected the counties layer and select the select those counties that are in Florida. So state name is equal to Florida. Verify your query and OK. So these are the counties that are in the state of Florida. Now we will select those counties where the population is greater than this value. Copy this and now we will make a query that will perform selection from this current selection. So now select all from counties from the selected counties where population in 1999 is greater than this value. Verify your query, okay, and that's it. Go to attribute table and this one. Now you can see over here the population in 1999 is greater than that value. So we have performed draw a bar graph which show the state population of 1990 and 1996. Graph is 3D bar graph. Okay, let's go to ArcMap and go to state attribute table and go to table option. Go to create graph. And now if you want a bar min max, horizontal bar, histogram, vertical line, horizontal, you can create scatter plot and you can also create a pie chart. So I will go with vertical bar and the make sure that you have selected the state layer and your field. Your field will be 1999, and on x-axis x field you can select the state name. You can may sort them in ascending order, and you can also label the state just like this. And if you want your x-axis on left or right, you can also do this. So you can also change the color from over here. If you want as custom color, a simple one color, you can select from over here. I will go with bleed and select bevel from over here, and okay, next. You can change the title of your graph. You can select 3D view from over here, because in the end of this question the graph is 3D bar graph. So check the graph in 3D and then finish it. Now you can see over here we have a bar graph that is representing the data of the population in 1999. Okay, now our last question. Identify the states lies in mountainous region. Make a map and show the state in mountainous region. Okay, let's go to the attribute table of states. And now you can see over here that we don't have any elevation value in its attribute table, but we have the elevation values in this table. And we know that uh, a steep hill or any earth surface that is uh, at least 300-meter or above than 300-meter above than sea level, then we can say that that region is mountainous or that peak is a mountain. So we will make a selected query over here. Make sure to select the correct layer, and now select all from cities where elevations are greater than 300 or 299 and verify it. Okay, verify. Okay, and now you can make another layer from these selected features. Now these are the region that have mountains. So now at the end of this we will create a choropleth map that will show the population density of US, and also will show the highest population state and the highest population city state of 1990 and 1999. Okay, so now we will create a map that will show the highest density in all of these states, and then the highest state, and then the highest counties. So let's go to state, its attribute table, and now go to symbology, quantities, graduated color. Values will be 1999, 1990, 5 classes, and OK. Now for creating a layout, click over here. OK, now we will add another data frame that will show the highest state, highest populated state that will represent the highest populated state, which one is California. Okay, now it's quite good, but you can also now you can add another data frame that will represent the highest populated counties, and that is Los Angeles. You can make them label, you can insert a title, you can make a double click over here. Just open your draw tool, select line from over here. Again, select the lines from over here. Just like this. Okay, now you can add a northing arrow, and you can add legend, and you can also add grids around your layout. It's up to you that how will you create your map. So if you want to know that how to create a complete layout, then you can check this video. Its link is on above top right corner. So that will be very helpful for you for creating a layout of a map. And after making a layout, you can also export your layout from here. So many thanks. This tutorial is all about the queries, that how can you perform select query in ArcGIS, and you can get useful information from attribute tables. So many thanks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.